Hi everyone, welcome to SaaS Beast Pro. If your mic is muted or getting that permission needed error on Google Meet, there is no need to worry. I'm here for you. In this video, I'll show you how to fix this problem. Go on your browser and open the Google Meet app. Make sure you're logged in with your account. Now, click on the new meeting icon and select Start an Instant Meeting. It will take some time to load. Okay, yeah, it has finally loaded. From there, you can see there is an error icon in the microphone option. To fix it, click on the three dot icon beside the end call icon. From there, select settings. First, let's find out what's the issue. Here you can see under the microphone tab, it's saying permission needed. That means your microphone is not allowed. To make it allowed, click on the microphone option, then click on the option use microphone. Here you will see a small window pop up saying you previously don't allow microphone for this side. To remove that comment, you need to pick one option, allow this time or continue not allowing. If you click continue not allowing, you won't say anything or the person will listen anything what you were saying because your microphone is not allowed. So click on allow this time. Now you can see my microphone is allowed and it's working because of the waves you are seeing here. Okay. Also there is another option. Just remove it. Here you can see there is an microphone icon beside the link. Click on it and you can also see a menu popping up. From here you can also toggle it off or on. It do the same thing what we have done before. Okay, let's cut the call. But still, if you are facing this problem, there might be an issue with your device, not the website. Just right click on the audio icon and select sound settings. It will take some time to load. From here, make sure your output and input device are selected correctly. If not, switch it to make it correct. Output device doesn't matter when the problem is with microphone. It's with the input ones. So make sure you are selecting the right device. Yeah, that is it for today. If you find this video useful, make sure to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.